After more than 13 hours, the Lok Sabha adjourned around 2:40 a.m. on Thursday following the passage of the Waqf Amendment Bill and the adoption of a resolution confirming President's rule in Manipur.
शुद्धि के अद्यतन मत विभाजन का परिणाम इस प्रकार है। पक्ष में 288, विपक्ष में 232, प्रस्ताव स्वीकृत हुआ और विधेयक यथा संशोधित पारित हुआ।
Now, with just 2 more days left in the budget session, the action now shifts to the Rajya Sabha. But first, let's have a look at how things ended in the Lok Sabha. After more than 12 hours of intense debate, the Waqf bill was passed with 288 votes in favour and 232 against. As a rather long day in the lower house appeared to be over, the statutory resolution on approving the proclamation of President's rule in Manipur was taken up around 2 a.m., surprising the opposition. After Union Home Minister Amit Shah moved the resolution, Speaker Om Birla called on Congress MP Shashi Tharoor to make his remarks. Tharoor, who appeared to be taken by surprise, asked the Speaker, and I quote, "Sir, do you genuinely want the discussion at this time?"
You genuinely want a discussion this time? 2 o'clock in the morning.
Okay.
In the end, the discussion on the issue was over and the resolution ratified in just over half an hour. Last month, it had been decided at a meeting of the House Business Advisory Committee that an hour would be allotted for the discussion on the Manipur resolution. How the opposition responds to this late night rush in the lower house will be among the things to watch out for.
Okay.
The opposition has held the ruling party responsible for failing to put an end to the ethnic violence in Manipur that began in May 2023. It has also accused the government of bulldozing through its agenda and ignoring issues it wanted to raise, walking out of a BAC meeting on Tuesday. The upper house will next take up both the Waqf bill and the resolution on ratifying President's rule in Manipur, which has been listed in the revised business list for Thursday. Now, as far as the Waqf bill goes, the BJP-led NDA is well placed in the Rajya Sabha too, with 125 MPs, including the BJP's 98, the JDU's 4, the NCP's 3, the TDP's 2, and the 6 nominated members.